Creating desktop shortcuts on Windows 11 hasn't changed much since the instructions for Windows 10. However, there are even faster and easier ways to do this on Windows 11. My name is Maddie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create app shortcut on desktop. Let's start. In the first step, right click on your desktop. Then select New and choose Shortcut. After that, click on Browse. In this step, select your application like this. Select Next. Here you can change your shortcut's name. And finally, click on Finish. That's it. Very fast and simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe in our channel so I can find awesome video features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.